Want to edit like a pro without spending a single dollar? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download DaVinci Resolve, one of the most powerful and free video editors out there, right on your PC. Whether you're a beginner or just switching from another editor, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, click on the first link in the description and you will come to this website. Then scroll down and click on Download button. Now scroll down and choose Windows. Here, scroll down and click on Download Only. And it will start downloading. After downloading, it will install automatically. So friends, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.